Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to add a website to your LinkedIn profile on your PC using the latest update. Whether you want to showcase your portfolio, business site, or personal blog, linking your website can help you stand out and make your profile more professional. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Me icon. This is where you'll find your account settings and profile options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account management dashboard. On the left side, you'll see several categories. Click on Account Preferences. Here, you'll find options to update your personal details and privacy settings. Next, under Account Preferences, look for the section labeled Name, Location, and Industry. Click on this option to open up your basic profile information. Now scroll down until you see Edit Contact Info. This is where you can manage your email, phone number, and website links. Click on Edit Contact Info. A new window will pop up. Here, you'll see an option to Add Website. Click on this button, then type in the full URL of the website you want to add. Double-check the link to make sure there are no typos. After entering your website, you'll need to choose the website type from the drop-down menu. LinkedIn gives you several categories, such as personal, company, blog, portfolio, and more. Pick the one that best matches your site. Once you've filled in all the details, review your information to make sure everything is correct. When you're ready, click Save or Confirm to add the website to your profile. That's it. Your website is now linked to your LinkedIn profile for everyone to see. This simple update can help you drive more traffic to your site and make valuable connections. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.